Finding your next warehouse space can be time-consuming and frustrating. In our online course, The Ultimate Warehouse Checklist, we cover all the different components to look for while on your warehouse tour. In this particular video, we'll be covering warehouse lighting.
Let's talk about lighting. You don't want to stumble. So does this site offer adequate brightness for your needs? How many foot candles do you require and how many foot candles of light are there? Is it LED, fluorescent, HID? How about the color temperature? Is it the right type for your needs? And there's 5 different levels of light distribution. So that will have to be a whole nother video that we're going to do, but there's 5 different levels. So what type of lighting is in this facility that you're currently touring? What type of lighting do you think you need?
Get free access to the full online course. Click the link in the description to begin your journey to stress-free CRE. Thanks for watching.